Club of DAV College of Education is celebrating the Prevention of Blindness Week from April 1st to 7, 2025. And in day 1, we have different activities like blindfold eating challenge, identifying object challenge with blindfolding, and at the same time blindfold drawing challenge. In day 2nd, on 3rd April, audiobook and podcast competitions were held, and similarly day 3 on 4th April, eye donation camp plus brochure and pamphlet competitions with different type of awareness, and at the same time social media content and poster making competitions were held. And as you know, today is the 5th April, that is one of the part of this week. Today we are going to hold a quiz, and its theme is eye donation, prevention of blindness and vision hygiene. So before we starting our quiz, first of all, I would like to tell the rules and regulations about the quiz. So there will be 5 rounds. In each 5 rounds, first 3 round will be clockwise, and next 4 and 5th round they will be anti-clockwise. And you will be asked 2 question in each first 3 round, and you have to answer clockwise. For example, if it's the turn of A, B is having known the answer, first priority is A, then question will be pass on. The passing marks, if any passing question is going to second team, that will have the 5 marks, and team's own question will carry 10 marks. And after that, last 2 rounds, they will be that will be anti-clockwise rounds. That will be from E to A. First 3 rounds from A to E. So on the scoreboard with us, Sanjay is with us on the scoreboard, who is having a great job. So let's start the first round.
What is the score for each question? It's
10. First of all, I would like to introduce our teams. So team members, introduce yourself.
My name is Sunita and I am representing Group A.
Speak loudly, beta.
My name is Harpreet Kaur and I am representing Team A.
You can also mention your house if you want to.
Okay.
My name is Manpreet Kaur. I am from Rabindranath Tagore House and I am representing Team A.
My name is Lalit Paddan and I am from Swami Vivekanand House and I am from Team B.
My name is Surbhi and I am representing Team B.
My name is Poonam Devi and I am from Team B.
My name is Kirandeep Kaur and I am from Team C.
My name is Anjali and I am representing Team C.
My name is Rahul Shigotra and I am representing Team C.
My name is Palak and I am representing Team D.
My name is Yashoda. I am representing Team B. D.
My name is Vaishali. I am representing Team D.
My name is Priyanka. I am representing a Team E.
My name is Shalini. I am representing the Team E.
My name is Gurpreet Singh. I am from Team E.
My name is Sanjay and today I am on scoreboard.
So students, should we start?
Yes.
There will be no options. You have to answer yourself. I will give you question and you have to give the answer. So if team A is unable to have answer the questions within 10 seconds, that will be passed on automatically to team B. So my first question is for team A. What is the ideal time to donate eyes after death?
Within 6 hours.
Okay. Right answer, 10 marks. Pass on the mic to team B. Now, second question for team B. Which part of the eye is used for transplantation in eye donation?
Ma'am, cornea.
Very right answer. Again, 10 marks. It's cornea. It's cornea. Then next question for team C. Eye donation can cure which type of blindness?
The problem of cornea.
Full name?
So,
Which type of blindness? Your answer is near about right.
it's
Repeat the question.
I repeat, eye donation can cure which type of blindness?
natural.
Answer is right, but complete it.
It's not actually no. I'm sorry.
Answer is right, but complete it. No? Pass on.
Can you repeat the answer that you gave? No. Why not?
No? It's your answer because there are no options.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes. Eye donation can cure which type of blindness?
Partial blindness?
No.
No.
Team E? Pass on the mic. Ma'am, Team C has given answer right, but not used the thing. Then give it the mic to Team A. Bhavna?
It's corneal blindness.
Yes, you have given the answer. Only blindness word should be there. It's corneal blindness. 5 marks. Team D, your question. What is the minimum age for eye donation?
There is no minimum age for eye donation. Even a child can donate his eyes.
Yes, right answer. Even a child can donate. No minimum age for eye donation. Then my next question is for Team A. Which day is observed as National Eye Donation Fortnight in India?
National Eye Donation Day.
Fortnight in India, yes. Which week?
Second week. 9th October.
No, beta. Question is passing to Team A, E to A.
August to 8th September.
Right answer, 5 marks for Team A. Now it's the turn of Team A again. If a person is having cancer, is it any essential condition he or she can donate eyes in that case or not?
Yes, she can or he can donate his eyes.
It's passing जो है क्वेश्चन हो रहा है ये आंसर क्योंकि यस या नो में ही था जनरली अगर देखा जाए तो इस क्वेश्चन को
No, ma'am, there is no precautions.
फिर आप उसकी थोड़ी सी एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे क्यों दे सकता है लेकिन किस कंडीशन में नहीं दे सकते कि हमने नो की बात करी है तो किस कंडीशन में
Ma'am,
Ma'am, if he doesn't have eye cancer.
if he doesn't have
Eye cancer.
Yes, right answer. 5 marks for team B. बेटा लाउडली बोलो. अगर उसको आई कैंसर नहीं है तो वो आई डोनेट कर सकता है. टीम बी ने ये बताया है हमें. Which your question? Who can authorize eye donation after a person's death? If a person is dead, who can authorize? वो जो मरने वाला है वो तो खुद नहीं बता लेगा. Dead person can't speak. Who is authorized?
I'm her guardian या his guardian. कोई भी guardian.
Only guardian or anybody else?
Relatives, friends or family.
Half is right. Not friends. Only family members or guardian.
Family members and
Yes.
guardians.
10 marks. What is the first step to take after deciding to donate eyes of a deceased person? A dead person's eyes are going to be donated. What is the first step?
Can you repeat the question?
What will be the first step after the family decide कि eyes donate किसी ने करी हुई हैं, somebody has donated the eyes, but will be the first step after his death?
They have to call the authorities.
ऊंची बोलो बेटा.
They have
Speak
to
loudly.
call the authorities about the death of the person.
Which authorities?
The registered hospital or hospital.
Yes.
जहाँ पर भी उन्होंने रजिस्टर करवाया है वो उनको पहले बुलाएंगे. तो
Yes.
उन्हें बुलाकर फिर वो ये फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा.
ओके. तो जहाँ पर उन्होंने आई डोनेशन कैंप को नियरली उन्होंने जो है वो आगे जाके बताना है. 10 मार्क्स इनको दे दीजिए. बेटा स्पीक लाउडली जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. डी योर क्वेश्चन. विच is not a reason to reject corneal tissue for transplantation. Which is not a reason to reject corneal tissue for transplantation. Transplant करना हमने किसी का कॉर्निया तो कौन सा रीजन नहीं माना जाएगा?
He has a heart disease. ये भी नहीं माना जाएगा.
No. Pass.
Ma'am, which of the following is not?
Not a reason. Not a reason. Which is not a reason. I have not given you option of following. Which is not a reason to reject corneal tissue for transplant.
मैम इसमें तो कई ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं. मतलब ये भी तो ठीक है कि उसको हार्ट डिजीज है तो हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हम नहीं आपकी नहीं ले सकते कॉर्निया.
हार्ट डिसीज दैट आइज के साथ नहीं ना रिलेटेड हो सकता.
हाँ सो मैम नॉट ही.
एज लिमिट.
एज लिमिट.
यस.
मैम एज लिमिट कोई वो नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अ रीज़न दैट यू कांट डोनेट द आइज अनलेस एंड अनटिल आपका कॉर्निया क्या है अच्छी कंडीशन में है. यू कैन डोनेट द आइज.
रॉन्ग आंसर. पास टू ई. टीम ई. मैंने आपको क्लू भी दे दिया है कि उसमें एज रीजन आएगा. यस.
मैम एक तो एज का रीज़न आ जाएगा. सेकंड होगा कि उसने अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है तो वो अगर वो कह सकते कि उसकी परमिशन होगी उसके घर वालों की तो आइज डोनेट.
नो.
एज फैक्टर मैम अडल्ट नहीं होना, ओल्ड एज नहीं होना चाहिए फैक्टर.
मैंने वही पूछा है बेटा आप लोगों को कि एज फैक्टर जो है वो किस लिमिट तक है. एज की क्या लिमिट?
18 स्टार्ट होता है उससे.
नो. पास. Now it's the turn of team A.
Can you please repeat the question?
Yes. Which is not a reason to reject corneal tissue for transplant.
Reason. So ma'am, it's a disease or some age factor?
Age factor.
इसमें एज लिमिट तो कोई नहीं होती. नो एज लिमिट. अगर हम जेनेटिक कंडीशन की बात करते हैं तो वो कैटरेक्ट वो होता है जो और ग्लाउकोमा डिजीज होती है. दैट आर नॉट द रीजन फॉर
No. We are just talking about the age.
एज लिमिट.
Yes. If you don't know, then pass on.
ਮੈਮ ਏਜ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ. ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਪੈਕਟੀਕਲਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ
ਉੱਚੀ ਬੋਲੋ.
ਏਜ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਮੈਮ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ. ਇਹਦੇ ਆਈ ਡੋਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪੈਕਟੀਕਲਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪੈਕਟੀਕਲਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕੈਟਰੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਡੋਨੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਹੈ.
एज
Pass on to
above
C.
5 years.
No. Pass on to C. ऊंची बोलना बेटा, स्पीक लाउडली.
रिपीट करना क्वेश्चन एक बार.
Which is not a reason to reject corneal tissue for transplant.
That the age of the person is very less or a young one.
No one can answer of this question. Age should not be above 80. 80 साल की ज़्यादा से उम्र के पर्सन को हम कोई भी कॉर्नियल ट्रांसप्लांट नहीं कर सकते.
अच्छा.
Then next question is,
आपका?
yes, Sanjay, what is the condition of all the teams?
Team A is on 20 points. Team B is on 25.
थोड़ा हो गया सी पूरा
ਸਾਡਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੀ ਨਾ
नहीं होया ना इधर रहंदा इत्थों होया सी ना क्वेश्चन पास.
And team C is on 10 points. And team D is on 10 points. And the last team is the last remaining.
Last question.
Yes.
Yes. What does an eye bank primarily do?
collect and preserve eyes.
Right answer, 10 marks. Speak loudly. Collect and preserve eyes. Eye bank do primarily, first of all, collect eyes and then preserve it. So after
first round, team A is on 20 points, team B is on 25 points, team C is on 10 points, team D is on 10, and E is also on 10.
So in next round, my first question is for team A. Now this round is basically on blindness, its causes and prevention. First question is, which of the leading cause of blindness worldwide?
It's cataract blindness.
Right answer, 10 marks for team A. Second question for team B. What is the most common preventable cause of blindness in children?
मैम डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए.
Speak loudly.
मैम विटामिन ए ਦੀ ਕਮੀ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ.
Very right. Deficiency of vitamin A is the main cause. Glaucoma is often called
myopia.
What is glaucoma?
Myopia.
What is yes?
Myopia.
Speak loudly.
Myopia.
In which term you can, in layman term, you can also explain it in
We can मतलब दूर का विजन हमको नहीं दिखता उसमें.
sight. It is a silent thief of vision.
Clear.
Right answer. Next is, which condition is not blindness? I am yes.
Color blindness.
Refractive error. Color blindness, yes. 10 marks. Yes. Team E. What is the medical term for total blindness? What is the medical term for total blindness?
Night blindness.
No, that is the type, one of the type. Total blindness. Team A, it's your turn. Team B.
Complete vision loss.
No. मेडिकल टर्म में बोलना है कि क्या कहते हैं उसको, कंप्लीट विजन लॉस को. टीम सी.
Blind.
नो, ब्लाइंड तो है ही सब. टीम डी.
Amartyaris.
राइट आंसर. टीम डी को 5 मार्क्स. इनका हो गया था बेटा, टीम ए का। Which group is most at the risk of age-related macular degeneration? Macular degeneration किस एज ग्रुप में सबसे ज्यादा होता है?
ओल्ड एज,
एज का नंबर बताना है पर्टिकुलरली, जैसे पहले एज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था वैसे ही।
अब 60 70।
मैम 60 to 80।
No, they have given 60 to 80. That's not the right answer. Yes.
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना।
Which group is at the most at the risk of age-related macular degeneration?
मैकुलर मतलब मसल डिजेनरेशन में।
Macular related with the eyes.
मैकुलर डिजेनरेशन, इट्स टीनेज।
No.
पर्टिकुलर एज बतानी है।
Yes. Particular age
मैम
group.
अबव 80 में।
Wrong. E. No team can respond to this question. It's age group of above 50. Then next question is for team B. Retinopathy is most commonly associated with which disease or disorder?
मैम डायबिटीज़।
Right answer. Speak loudly बेटा।
डायबिटीज़।
डायबिटीज राइट आंसर। तो जो रेटिनोपैथी है वो रिलेटेड है डायबिटीज के साथ, डायबिटीज है तो उसको ये पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज नॉट अ सिम्टम ऑफ कैटरैक्ट?
नॉट अ सिम्पटम ऑफ कैटरैक्ट, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस।
नो।
मायोपिया,
नो।
हो सकता है।
पास ऑन।
मैम प्लीज रिपीट।
विच इज नॉट अ सिम्टम ऑफ कैटरैक्ट?
वाटरी आइज और नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस कैन आल्सो बी देयर।
नॉट अ सिम्टम।
नॉट अ सिम्पटम।
Give the mic. Team E, which is not the symptom of cataract. मोतियाबिंद के बहुत से लक्षणों में कौन सा ऐसा लक्षण है जो नहीं पता चलता है, जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता, नहीं होता वहाँ पे, लेकिन मोतियाबिंद पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल को हो सकता है?
ब्लड आइज में।
नो। रेडनेस इन आईज। यस आईज। यस पास हो गया ये क्वेश्चन, वहाँ टीम से पास होके आया है।
मैं ब्लड आइज ही बोले
आपका था। ओके अब
मैडम को ब्लड आइज बोले ब्लड लाल अखां।
हाँ जी
मैम।
हाँ
मैम ब्लड
ओरिजिनल इज टीम सीधा सी।
ब्लड आइज बोलिया सी मैम।
ब्लड ध्यान नाल सुनियो, दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करना क्वेश्चन टाइम एंड अगेन। लीगल ब्लाइंडनेस इज डिफाइंड एज विजुअल एक्विटी ऑफ pass on to section D. Legal blindness is defined as visual acuity of
विटामिन ए।
no
20/200.
No.
Ma'am, equity 20/200. 20.
हम आप इसका एक पर्टिकुलर एक मीन बता दोगे, मतलब इसके बारे में हमें बताना क्या है?
Legal blindness is defined as visual acuity.
इक्विटी बतानी है।
Yes.
इसमें विजन तो नहीं बताना, तो विजन 20/20।
No. B.
मैम 6/36।
No.
मैम लीगल विजन है कि लीगल ब्लाइंडनेस है?
बेटा मैंने बार बार बोला लीगल ब्लाइंडनेस इज डिफाइंड एज विजुअल एक्विटी ऑफ इट्स 6/60
मैम
और लेस.
6/36 कहता हाँ ठीक है.
You have given the answer, wrong answer, 6/36. Is it?
यस
हाँ जी ठीक है.
But it's 6/60.
माइक बात कर.
So
Only one answer should be considered and no explanation should be given to students or elaborated. So they get the two forms of
yes. Your first answer will be considered as your answer and no second answer will be taken as your right answer even if it is right. But in now case it's also wrong. But even if it is right, no such answer will be accepted as right answer. Now it's the turn of section D. Which vitamin is most essential for good vision?
Vitamin A.
Yes. 10 marks. Then vitamin A is very essential for good vision. Which common childhood infection may lead to blindness?
Rubella retinitis.
Which common childhood infection may lead to blindness? First answer will be considered. अब ना go to team A. Speak loudly, beta.
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट करिए। मैम प्लीज।
Which common childhood infection may lead to blindness? Pass on to B. Hurry up.
मैम इज इट एन आई रिलेटेड डिजीज?
Obviously, beta, eye related.
कंजक्टिवाइटिस?
No.
पास कर दे.
Go to team C. Particular term is used.
Conjunctivitis.
No.
रिपीट करना क्वेश्चन एक बार.
Which common childhood infection may lead to blindness?
Corneal infection.
No. The right answer was measles. Due to measles, that is common childhood disease, afterward there are very much chances of blindness even at the age of adulthood. Now, my next question is for team A. ये round 4 होगा, that will be anti-clockwise. Again team E. कैसे? इक्वालिटी तो है, सेम है ना, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं, तो दैट विल बी द 4th राउंड. वो आपको पहले ही रूल में बताया जा चुका है. वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज चलेगा. सबसे पहले E, फिर D, फिर C. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन है टीम E के लिए. व्हाट डज द 6/6 विजन इन एन आई टेस्ट मीन?
नॉर्मल विजन.
Normal or anything else? Yes, it's normal or may say perfect vision. Normal vision या perfect vision. 10 marks for team E. Yes. How often should adults get a comprehensive eye exam?
After 2 years. मैम दोबारा करना.
Yes, your answer is right, but you have to add every 2 years.
Ma'am, after 2
10 marks for team D.
Ma'am, after 2 years means obviously 2.
After, not after 2 years, after every 2 years of the age.
Okay, ma'am.
Give
Repetition.
to C. Yes, my question. Prolonged screen time may lead to prolonged screen time may lead to
effect in vision,
ciliary muscles.
speak loudly.
Effect on ciliary muscles.
No. What it is called? Past to be.
Ma'am, eye strain.
No. Pass on to section A.
It's eye blindness.
नो इट्स विजन सिंड्रोम. इसको कंप्यूटर विजन सिंड्रोम बोला जाता है, लेकिन अगर आप मोबाइल देखते हैं तो उसको स्क्रीन विजन सिंड्रोम बोला जाता है. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਸੀ. ਚਲੋ ਸੰਜੇ, ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਓ, ਅਸੀਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. अगेन सी चो सी ये क्वेश्चन. Listen carefully, I will not repeat. What is the common symptom of dry eye syndrome?
redness in eyes.
Right answer, redness in eyes. Section team B, wearing sunglasses helps to prevent.
Block the UV rays.
Yes, राइट आंसर. अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से हमें जो है वो ब्लॉक करती हैं, सनग्लासेस बचाती हैं, हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं. व्हाट इज द कॉमन कॉज ऑफ टेम्परेरी ब्लर्ड विजन?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What is the common cause of temporary blurred vision? Pass on.
Ma'am, rubbing the eyes regularly.
No, beta.
Ma'am, eye strain.
Eye strain, but which type of eye strain?
Prolonged screen time.
Yes, prolonged screen time or digital eye strain. 10 marks for team E, 5 marks for team E.
साडा क्वेश्चन
पास होकर ई के पास है. अब ये राउंड खत्म हो चुका है, नेक्स्ट राउंड फाइनल राउंड है. ये राउंड में खत्म हो चुका है.
सबसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया इक्वली. तो नेक्स्ट जो राउंड है उसमें अगेन टीम ई से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम. हाँ जी, आर यू रेडी? Which can help to prevent age-related eye disease? Which factor can help to prevent age-related eye disease?
Good health.
Next, pass on to section D.
Regularly eating green leafy vegetables. बिल्कुल.
Half is right.
Okay.
Something more is going to be added.
And ma'am, vitamin rich diet and regularly taking care of your eyes also can prevent age related skin problems.
Again, it's half. But near about that, proper diet with antioxidants is the right answer. Give marks to team, 5 marks to team D. So now it's your turn, Team D. What does LASIK surgery correct?
Please repeat.
LASIK surgery किस चीज को करेक्ट करती, किस चीज को क्योर करती है? LASIK सर्जरी
मैम कॉर्निया को.
नेक्स्ट.
बेसिक सर्जरी साडे हाईलेंस.
कैटरैक्ट.
पास ऑन.
मैम मायोपिया एंड हाइपरमेट्रोपिया.
बेटा आप लोग ये नहीं बता रहे, वो सबको पता है कि आइज रिलेटेड है तो कॉर्निया के साथ ही लेसिक सर्जरी होगी, तो ये किस चीज को क्योर करता है, ये क्वेश्चन है. पास ऑन करो सेक्शन ए को.
मैम लो विजन.
नो, इट्स अगेन नॉट लो विजन. हो रहा पास. ओनली आई साइड. आई साइड ਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਐਰਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੈ?
ਲੋ ਆਈ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਰ ਕਰਦਾ.
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਟਰਨ ਸੀ. ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਿਆ. ਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ ਰਿਫਰੈਕਟਿਵ ਐਰਰ. ਜੋ ਲੇਸਿਕ ਸਰਜਰੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਰਿਫਰੈਕਟਿਵ ਐਰਰ. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ टीम C ਦਾ अपना क्वेश्चन है, which part of the eye is colored?
Iris.
Right answer, 10 marks for C. Team B, which eye disorder may cause halos around lights?
मैम कैटरैक्ट.
Right answer. Cataract is the right answer. 10 marks. अपना ही क्वेश्चन सी तोड़ा. 10 marks. Team A, your question. Which device is used to check eye pressure? Which device is used to check eye pressure? E.
Repeat the question.
Which device is used to check eye pressure? What do we call that particular device? Pass to D.
मैम नो.
C. B.
मैम टोनोमीटर.
Right answer, 5 marks for team B. It's tonometer. So all the rounds have been completed now. Now what is the score? Sanjay will tell us.
देख उधर 70 नंबर पे प्रेडिक्शन लो. मैं प्रेडिक्शन जीती होती है.
Team A is on 30 points. Team B is on 70 points. Team C is on 40 points. Team D is on 50 points. And Team E is on 25 points.
So third is team C, second team D, and first is team B with 70 points. Team D second with 50 points. Team D second with 50 points and team C third with 40 points. Team B is first with the score of 70 points. First. Team D, second with the score of 50 points. Team C, third with the score of 40 points. Rest of the teams also, they have done very well. They played very well. Clapping for all the teams. And congratulations to the winning teams. Thank you very much. बेटा यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव योर हाउसेस. टीम जो फर्स्ट आई है टीम बी, इनका हाउस है
स्वामी विवेकानंद हाउस.
स्वामी विवेकानंद हाउस इज फर्स्ट. देन टीम डी, स्वामी दयानंद हाउस इज सेकंड. देन टीम सी,
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हाउस.
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हाउस इज थर्ड. So, thank you for your cooperation and special thanks to Sanjay and Bhavna. Thank you so much. Thanks to all present here, my dear colleagues, students, thanks to all of you.